Bonjour mes amis, this is Margie. Welcome to the channel. As promised, we are meeting this week again for another coffee chat. How are you doing? I hope you had a productive week and I hope you are enjoying the weekend to do something fun or to simply reset. For me, I had a very busy week at work. Oh my gosh, it was extremely busy that I was pulling my hair. But you know what? We made it and we are thankful we are able to deliver. And what happened again this week? It's been raining in Florida. I don't know where you are located, but in Florida, it's been raining like almost every day. And that stopped me from going for my daily walking. And I like to exercise. I've been adding that to my daily routine, and I couldn't do that this week. So what I did, I work and then I read. I actually had a good book that I was reading. So that was this week. And on Friday, my neighbors and I, we went to see a show, and after that we went for dinner, and it was really nice. It was really fun. Yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Yesterday I spent the day cleaning the house, and in the afternoon I also went to one of my friends. She was having a housewarming and it was really nice. So that's what my week was consisting of. And as far as today, it's been pretty nice. So I just take today to take it easy. And I said, you know what? We are going to have a little coffee chat as promised. Although it's not going to be long, but I wanted to come, touch base with you, see how you're doing, and also let you know how I was doing. As you know, we are navigating this single life together. We are leaning into each other to see how we can do that better. And I know we are doing a fabulous work, right? We are doing a fabulous job. We are taking it day by day. And we are making the best out of it. Like as I told you last week, I'm creating a lot of new routines, and some that I had, I feel like they are not serving, I remove them. So today it's me and you. We are having coffee, and I'm going to share with you what I am doing. Like, I'm going to share with you how I am going to spend the whole day and what I'm going to have for dinner. And as I told you, Sunday, it's one of the days that I make sure that I have a beautiful dinner. I set up my table, as I said, I get dressed and I make a nice meal, and I have dinner with myself. So that's what we're going to do today. We might not do the whole dinner, but I will tell you what I'm going to make for my dinner tonight. And getting ready also for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's going to be a busy day at work again, but that's why I take today to relax, to reset myself, and just do a little thing that can bring me joy. So what about you? How is your Sunday doing? So now let's go. Let's see what else I'm going to do for this Sunday. Flowers always make me happy. So I ensure every week I buy myself flowers, and I make sure that the house have some fresh flowers, and that's something that bring me joy. So do little things like that, little things that can make you happy. And it's really nice when you buy yourself flowers. So do that. As I told you, like every week I make sure I buy myself flowers. I have one in the kitchen, I have one in the living room, and I have one in my bedroom. And also I feel like when I was in New Jersey, I used to have roses in my house. So I used to take flowers and make a fresh bouquet from my garden. That's something that I really enjoy when I used to be in New Jersey. But for some reason, I cannot grow roses here in Florida. So what I do, I buy flowers, and sometimes they have buy one bouquet and get one free. I do that. I make sure the house is welcoming. I make sure when I come to my place, there is something that brings me joy. There is something that makes me happy and makes me smile. So do little things like that. If you like flowers, put some flowers in your house. If you, and some people, I know you very skilled, like you can make your own bouquet. Do that. Do little things that bring you joy, because as I said, we are in this journey together. We are supporting each other and we are sharing tips with each other. We are still enjoying our coffee, and I start preparing my dinner. And tonight what I'm having salmon. I have the recipe on my blog. I can put it here for you. And I'm having rice, of course, and I'm making this simple salad. That's what I'm going to prepare with you, because as I said, I already have the recipe of the salmon on the blog. And usually on Sunday, that's what I do. I prepare my dinner early, then afterwards I read outside for a moment, and then I get dressed, and then I sit on the table and I eat. So let's try to make this salad together. So it's very simple. I'm just going to add the cucumber, tomato, onion. So it's something very simple. So let's do it together. And then all I'm going to do to combine them is add a lemon juice and some olive oil and some parsley. That's it. I'm chopping the parsley that I'm going to add on the salad. That's it. And then I will mix it with the vinaigrette. I rarely buy vinaigrette. I always make my own. Like even sometimes I do it with like lemon juice. I put a little strawberry juice, or I just make my own. And I don't know, it makes you feel better when you do your own salad, when you make your own stuff. Tell me, do you make your own vinaigrette or do you buy the pre-made? I also added some salt on this too. I forgot to tell you I put some salt. I'm pouring the whole thing. Beautiful. Thank you so much for having coffee with me today. I will see you next week. Take care.